Dollars are worth less over time, right? We're not going to go all into economics and how they work, but we're talking about an asset. We're talking about an asset. And if you were really thinking, you would say, I want to get as many of these tokens as I can at the beginning, as quickly as I can. Mass accumulation. I can spend my own money to buy them. I can also go share it with other people and get them that way. And as I get them, they continue to grow faster and faster, potentially, right? Faster and faster. You can look at the dynamics of yourself. I tell you what we believe, but you're going to have to do your own research. But guys, those three things, the DGen voter system, having the ability to know something is going to happen before it happens and being smart enough to position yourself in front of that, the real ability to build a portfolio through a mastermind group, which is what this is going to be, probably eventually one of the biggest mastermind groups on the planet for being able to pick quality projects. And then finally, the ability to accumulate more of a potentially explosive growing asset as quickly as you can in a short period of time, in these compressed periods of time. Those three things right away, those are three things that if I were you and I was trying to explain to somebody why you want to be a part of this project, those are the three things I would focus on. And here's what I'll tell everybody that's here right now. That's still just the tip of the iceberg. I'm looking at Dave's face, and Dave is he's smiling right now and he's laughing because he's like, man, he didn't even tell him about this. And this, they got no idea. That's right. You guys got no idea because that's just the tip of the iceberg, man. I'm telling you, there's so many incredible things that are part of this ecosystem that are here right now that are going to be in version 2.5, version 3.0. If you think your mind is blown right now, you're going to need a new mind so it can get blown again, because what we're doing right now, never been done before. But all I can tell you is all of these things that we're doing, all of the people we're going to appeal to, all of this growth is going to continue to not only hold people's interest, it's going to continue to attract new people, which if you understand how this works, it just keeps that asset building over and over and over again. That is where we're going to be, man. I'm telling you guys, this is incredible. So Dave, listen, I know I talk